Hello boys and girls, welcome to our math lesson for Wednesday, May 27. Today boys and girls, we are going to do mixed facts practice. And if you cannot find this page, don't fear. It's in the back of your 100 chart that you wrote numbers 1 through 100. It's in the back of that paper. And I also had a problem finding it. I was like, oh, I don't have it, but I found it and it's right here. So if you have problems finding it, it's right here in the back of the 100s. So let's go ahead and begin. We're gonna add or subtract. So don't forget, when you add, you use this symbol. This symbol means add. When you add, you put two groups together with this symbol, add. Now, when you subtract, you use the minus symbol. So this one is the plus and this one is the minus. When you subtract, you use the minus symbol and you take away. You have to take away from the biggest group. So we're going to subtract, we're going to add with the plus, and we're going to take away, we're going to subtract with the minus. Alright, so let's take a look at the first one. Number 1, 6 plus 4. Plus is addition. We're going to put together the two groups. So when you add, you have to look for the greater number. Which one is the greater number? 6. You put 6 in your head and you're going to add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, so you're going to count 4 after 6. You say 6, after 6 goes 7, 8, 9, and 10. My answer is 10. Alright, now we have number 2, 10. Take away 5. 10 minus 5. So this is a minus. It means subtraction. We're going to take away from the big group. So you can do these two ways. You can take out 10 fingers and take away 5, or you can draw 10 circles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we're gonna take away 5. So you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you count what you have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What you can also do is that you count from the smaller number. Since you're subtracting, you count from the smaller number to the greatest number. So you say after 5 goes 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. How many circles did it take you to get from 5 to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The answer is the same. Or you can also remember, boys and girls, that 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So 10 take away 5 is equal to 5. So here, since it's a double fact, you have 3 choices. Alright, over here we have number 3. We have 2 plus 8. So that's addition. We're putting the two groups together. We look for the greater number, which is 8. You put 8 in your head and you're going to add 2 more. So after 8, you say 9, 10. 2 plus 8, or 8 plus 2 is 8. When you're adding, it doesn't matter in which order you put the addends. Cuando suman, no importa en qué orden ponemos los números que se suman, los addends. Alright, let's do number 4. Number 4, we have 8, take away 6. So once again, when you take away, you subtract. You take away, minus means to take away from the greater number. When you take away, boys and girls, you can take away from the big number, or you can count from the smaller to the greater number. So how about if we do that? We count from 6 to 8. What number goes after 6? 7, and then after 7 goes 8. How many circles did it take you to count from 6 to 8? 2. Nos tomó dos círculos contar desde 6 hasta el 8. 9 plus 3. This is number 5, and here the plus means addition. Means that we're putting these two numbers together. So we put 9 in our head, and we're gonna add 3 more. Ready? Alright, so 9 in our head, and then we're gonna count 3 more after 9. So after 9 goes 10, 11, 12. So our answer is 12. Now we're gonna do 6. 7 minus 5. Minus means to subtract. Minus means to subtract. So we're going to take away from the greater number. Once again, the way that we're going to do it is we're going to put we're gonna put 5 in our head, which is a smaller number, and we're gonna come from 5 all the way to 7. So after 5, we say 6, 7. How many circles did it take you to come from 5 to 7? 2. You can also say 7 circles. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7. And you're gonna take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many circles you have left? 2 is the same answer. Alright, so here we go. Number 7. Now instead of the numbers being one next to each other like a sentence, a problem sentence, we're gonna have one number on top of the other. So we have a plus 4. Now, this is the plus. We use the plus when we're adding. We're putting two numbers together. So we say 8 plus 4 more. I'm gonna put the greater number in my head, and I'm gonna add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. What number goes after 8? 9, 10, 11, and 12. So now I know that 8 plus 4 is 12. Alright, so now I have 6 plus 5. Here is addition because I have a plus. So I'm putting these two numbers together. Now, I say 6. I put 6 in my head, and I have 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to count 5 after 6. So I say after 6 goes 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 plus 5 is 11. Now I'm going to move on to number 9. Number 9, I have 5 plus 3. Once again, plus means addition. You're adding. You're putting two groups together. So I'm going to put 5, which is the greater number, in my head. And I'm going to add 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. What number goes after 5? 6, 7, 8. Alright, now I have number 10. 11 minus 3. Minus means to subtract, to take away. So I'm going to take away 3 from the greater number. We don't have 11 fingers, boys and girls. So there's no way you can use your fingers. You can draw 11 circles, or you can count from 3 all the way to 11. So after 3 goes 4. Oh, my paper is moving now. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many circles did it take you to come from 3 to 11? ¿Cuántos círculos nos tomó contar desde el 3 hasta el number 11? Nos tomó 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is going to be your answer. Alright, so this is what we have so far. This is what we're done with so far. Let's move on to our next row, which is 11 through 14. So let's do 11 first. 11, we have 6 plus 3. So since it's plus, that means that it's addition. We're going to put the two groups together. So we put 6, which is the greater number, in our head, and we're going to add 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to count 3 after 6. After 6, we say 7, 8, and 9. So 9 is my answer. Number 12, we have 4. Take away 4. 4 minus 4. That means subtraction. That means we have to take away. What happens, boys and girls, when we take away the same number? We stay with nothing, right? So we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we take away 4 of them. What happens? What do we have left? We have left nothing. We have 0 left. And that's your answer. Now, number 13, boys and girls, we say 7 plus 5. Plus means addition. We have two groups that we're going to put together. So we say 7 is the greater number. It goes in your head. And 5 is the amount that you're going to add to 7. 2, 3, 4, and 5. I draw my 5 circles, and I'm going to add 5 to 7. After 7, I'm going to count 5 after 7. So I say after 7 goes 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. My answer is 12. Our last one is number 14, our last one in this row. So we have set of 12 minus 7. This is minus, it means subtraction. It means that we're going to take away from the big number. Now, we don't have 12 fingers to take away 7. You can draw 12 circles and cross out 7, or you can count from 7 all the way to 12. That's what we're going to do. So you put 7 in your head, and we're going to draw circles until we get to 12. So we say after 7 goes 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. How many circles did it take you to come from 7 to 12? It took us 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That means that 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Alright, so our next row, we're going to do problems 15 through 18. Alright, so we're going to say 15 is 4 plus 3. It's plus, so it means addition. We're going to add. So we say 4 plus 3 more is, well, we don't know. We're going to find out. 4 is a greater number. We're going to add 3 more. What number goes after 4? 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Now, we have number 16. 5 plus 2. Plus means addition. So we're going to add. We're going to put the two groups together. Now, when we add, we have to look for the greater number. My greater number is 5. So I put 5 in my head and 2 more circles, or 2 more fingers. So after 5 goes 6 and 7. Once again, my answer is 7. So 4 plus 3 gives you 7, but also 5 plus 2. Look how many different ways you have to get 7. And there's probably more, right? Number 17, boys and girls, we have 8 minus 5. Minus means subtraction. So we're going to take away from the big number. We're going to take away 5. Now, you do have 8 fingers, so you can show 8 fingers and take away 5. Or you can come from 5 all the way to 8. So we say after 5 goes 6, 7, and 8. I stop now because I got to 8. How many circles did it take me to get to 8? 3. So that's my answer. Alright, boys and girls, the last one in this row is going to be 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4. So I'm gonna add, because when we see the plus means addition. We're going to put these two groups together. So I look for my greater number because I'm adding. My greater number is 6. I put 6 in my head, and I'm gonna draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, I'm gonna count 4 after 6. I say 7, 8, 9, and 10. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. And this is what we have so far, boys and girls. I'm getting everything on the screen because there's one more row at the very end. At the very end, we have problems 19 through 22. 19 through 22. There's 4 of them, and I want you to work on these on your own. Alright, so you make sure here 5 minus 1. Minus means take away. So here you're going to take away 12 minus 4. Once again, we're going to take away. Vamos a restar. Minus means take away, restar, quitarle al número grande. Number 21, 7 minus 2. We have the minus, that means take away. Vamos a quitarle al número grande. We're going to take away. And then the last one, which is number 22, is 7 plus 4. Plus means addition, so we're going to be adding. We're going to be putting these two numbers together. So here we have 3 subtractions and 1 addition. And I want you to do it on your own. Don't forget, boys and girls, that this week you have IXL. In the bottom of the blue paper, of the blue cover sheet, you can see the IXLs that we're going to work on. Don't forget to work on your IXL. No se olviden que esto lo van a completar ustedes solitos. Quiero que hagan esto ustedes solitos para que intenten lo mejor que puedan. Alright, boys and girls, that was it for today for math, and I'll see you later for our science lesson. Bye, boys and girls.